Hello and welcome to Programming in C++ series, Chapter 4, Control Structures 1, Selection. So in this video we'll be doing some more exercises from Chapter 4. But before we start, please go ahead and smash the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel if you're not already a subscriber. When you subscribe, you'll be notified when new videos are posted, and it helps you navigate YouTube a lot smoother. If you do not have a YouTube account, it is free and takes less than a minute to create one, so please do so you can actually like videos, comment on them, and you can subscribe to channels once you have an account. Right? So the first video will be Programming in C++, Programming Exercise 4-18. And this one way to determine how healthy a person is by measuring the body fat of the person. The formulas to determine the body fat for female and males are as follows. Body fat formula for women: A1 equals body weight times 0.732 plus 8.987. A2 equals wrist measurement at fullest point divided by 3.140 times A3, which is waist measurement at navel, times 0.157 times A4 equals hip measurement at fullest point times 0.24 times A5, which is equal to forearm measurement at fullest point times 0.434 times B equals A1 plus B, A2 minus A3 minus A4 plus A5. Body fat equals body weight minus B. Body fat percentage equals body fat times 100 divided by body weight. Body fat formula for man: A1 is body weight times 1.8082 plus 94.42 times A2, which is wrist measurement, times 4.15 times B equals A1 minus A2. Body fat equals body weight minus B. Body fat percentage equals body fat times 100 divided by body weight. Instructions: write a program to calculate the body fat of a person. Prompt the user to input their gender, male or female. If male was entered, additionally prompt the user to input 2, their body weight in pounds, their waist measurement at fullest point in inches. If female was entered, additionally prompt the user to input 2, their body weight in pounds, 3, their wrist measurement at fullest point in inches, 4, their waist measurement at navel in inches, 5, their hip measurement at fullest point in inches, and 6, their forearm measurement at fullest point in inches. The program then outputs body fat percentage, correct output for test cases. Alright, so let's go ahead and dive into this one. So first thing we need to do, add our include statements. And we're going to add, for the first one, we'll use the string. And for the next one, we'll use IO manip. Alright. And there's no constants, no named constants in this one. So let's go straight to declaring our variables. Let's do our cosmetics and make some room to work. And we're going to be dealing with almost all doubles in one string. So let's go with double price. Oops. That is not correct. Alright, let's get rid of string because we don't need it. All we need is IO manip. And we'll start off with our char variable instead of the doubles. So the first character is going to be gender. Then we'll go into our doubles, which will be the rest of them. So the first one will be body weight. Then we'll do wrist measurement at fullest point. Then we'll do waist measurement at navel. hip measurement at fullest point. Forearm measurement. So forearm should be one word. Measurement at fullest point. I'm going to do waist measurement. Fullest point. I'm going to do A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A5, B, secret spaces here. B and body fat and body fat percentage. Then we get into our statements. First, let's go with SEOUT. This program determines the body fat of a person. Let's go T, enter your gender, let's put F, comma, F slash male, comma, space, and this one's going to be body weight. Let's go quick if statement here. If gender equals F or gender equals lowercase f. So bracket and SEOUT, enter body weight in pounds. CN body weight just copy and paste it again. Now, let's go into wrist measurement. Inches. What I did there. Wrist measurements in inches. What this is? Let's go to this. This is going to be wrist measurement at the fullest point. Let's go enter waist measurement. So let's do wrist measurement. Fullest point. Inches. Alright, so we changed that to waist measurement at the fullest point. And let's see. Let's go wrist, waist, hip. Hip measurement at the fullest point in inches. And we're going to do hip here. Next one's going to be forearm. Just one word. And forearm. Just going over these so I never made a mistake. Correct it. So waist measurement at the navel. Wrist, waist, so waist is going to be at the navel. All right, so now let's see if we get this thing down. All right, so we'll leave it there. We'll be right back after this. Okay, let's go down and do our A1 equals body weight times 0.732 plus 8.987. And these all can be found in the instructions that we read before we started. So let's see. Number was A2 equals body weight times wrist measurement at fullest point divided by 3.140. Next, we got A3. That equals waist measurement at fullest point. How's that? Yeah, so waist measurement at navel first. Navel divided times 0.157. A4 equals hip measurement at fullest point times 0.249. We got A5 equals forearm measurement at fullest point times 0.434. Next we have B equals A1 plus A2 minus A3 minus A4 plus A5. Next we have body fat equals body weight minus B. And then let's go C out. Body fat let's do body fat. Again. Percentage. And body fat percentage. There. And let's go ahead and do our else if. If else if. Okay, got it. If gender equals male. Capital M out. Enter body weight. Pounds. Body weight. Out. Inline. All right, copy and paste that. Let's go enter waist measurement at fullest point. Up here. Huh. One more. Enter waist measurement at the fullest point in inches. And here we go, waist measurement at fullest point. And that stays in line. Scroll up, we'll do our A1s, A2s, A3s. So let's go. It's a lot shorter though. A1 equals body weight times 1.082 plus 94.42. A2 equals waist measurement at fullest point times 4.15. B equals A1 minus A2 and body fats equals body weight minus B. Capital B that is. And now body weight or body fat percentage equals body fat times 100. Divided by body weight. So let's see out. Body fat again, stay like this. See out body fat, see out body fat percentage in line. Then let's get this up here. And then we'll do an else. See out. And valid gender code. You don't pick male or female. In line. Let's get this up here. Now let's go and look at it. Alright, let's look at our code from the top. Start at line 2 with include IO manip, no name constants. So we had one character gender, then we had several doubles, body weight, wrist measurement at fullest point, waist measurement at navel, hip measurement at fullest point, forearm measurement at fullest point, waist measurement at fullest point, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, B, capital B that is, body fat and body fat percentage. Of course, we have a semicolon at the end of that. Then this program determines the body fat of a person. Enter your gender. We use that format. And gender equals F or lowercase f. Enter body weight in pounds. Body weight, enter wrist measurement at fullest point in inches. Enter waist measure at 4 point inches. Waist measurement at navel. Waist measurement at. I get waist measurement at navel. Waist measurement at navel. Strange. Waist measurement at the last semicolon. Waist measurement at. Let's see that. Let me get a closer look. Alright, I'm just going to copy and paste this from where it was. It cleared up, so I guess I did spell it out. Do the same thing for forearm measurement. Yeah, that's right. I spelled that one wrong. Measurement, so that way she cleared that up. Waist measurement at navel again. I don't see what I did. Must have spelled it wrong here. Waist, B-A-I-S-T, B-A-S-I-N-T at navel. Okay. I'm not seeing it. They misspelled it. Words. Capital A, capital. I don't know what I'm doing with that one. Waist measurement at navel. Yeah, so if somebody sees what I was going to do wrong on that one, please let me know. Alright, so let's go ahead and run this baby, then we'll take you to the code if you need more time with it. Let's run. Let's go. Email. Pounds 120. Wrist measurement 5. Navel inches 26. Enter hip measurement at fullest point in inches. 4. Enter forearm measurement at fullest point 6. 25, 29, whatever. Body fat percentage 24.1. Alright, so let's go ahead and calculate that. Let's go ahead and look at our code while that's calculating. Looks good from here. So let's go look at line 1 through 21. And if you're still looking at that, go ahead and pause. Let's scroll down. And you see we did get our green and got 100%, I'm pretty sure. Yep, 100%. So let's continue on. Line 22 to 41, if you're still looking at that, go ahead and pause it. And I'm going to scroll down. And here we got line 43 to line 62. And if you're still looking at that, go ahead and pause it. Scroll down again. And we have line 61 all the way down to the end. Check that out. All right, let's go on to our next one. If you need longer, go ahead and pause it. We'll see you right after this. All right, our next exercise is going to be programming in C++, programming exercise 4-19. All right, so Ron bought several acres of farm to grow and sell vegetables. Suppose that Ron wants to grow a maximum of 2 types of vegetables. Write a program that prompts Ron or the users to do the following. Enter the total farm area in acres, the number of vegetables, 1 or 2, that the user wants to grow. If the user wants to grow 2 types of vegetables, then prompt the user to enter the portion as a percentage of land used for the first vegetable. Enter the seed cost, plantation cost, fertilizing cost, labor cost, and selling price per acre. The user specified 2 vegetables. Prompt the user to enter the items in step 4 for the second vegetable. The program then outputs the total revenue, the total the profit loss. Correct output for this test cases. All right, so let's go ahead and start with our include statement. And we're going to need to add 2. First, we'll do our IO manip. Then we'll go and do our C math. Right. So no name constants in this one. So let's do some cosmetics and give ourselves some room to work. And let's start declaring our variables. And here we're going to have all doubles. And that's the only type of variable we're going to have. So first we have farm area. Then num of vegetables planted. Next, we'll have farm area for veg. And let's see, seed costs. And next, we have plantation costs. Fertilizing costs. Labor costs. Veg selling price per acre. Farming costs. And revenue. Let's go ahead and set our precision. Fixed. Show points. Set precision. 2. Right. Scroll this up. Alright, next we're going to do out, enter farm area in acres. going to CN, and this is going to be farm area. CT line. All right, so we're going to copy and paste. Get some of these. So I got a few of these out the way. Start at the top. Next we're going to do enter the number of vegetables planted. And we'll use 1/2. So we'll pick 1 or 2. And it's going to be num of veggies planted. Vegetables planted. Oh boy. Alright, we will fix that. Alright. Planet, we got that done. Next one's going to be we're going to do an if. Okay, let's do this. So it's if num of vegetables planted equals 1. So if they only planted 1 vegetable, let's get down and do our brackets. Put them outside this time. It's going to be weird, but I can do it. Alright, so I just got that bracket for these. Alright, so now these will be in our if statements. Enter seed cost per acre. It's going to be seed costs. Enter plantation cost per acre. Since we're dealing with cost, right, and this is going to be plantation costs. All right, let's do some more copy and paste. A few of these, quite a few. Get it? Alright, so plantation costs, seed costs are up to plantation costs. Let's enter fertilizing costs. Fertilizing costs. It's going to be costs. Now let's enter labor costs. Change that to labor. Cost. And then next we will enter vegetable selling costs. So if you go to the county fair or whatever to rent a booth, gas money to get there, help people work the register or whatever. Alright, so that'll be veg selling. Price per acre. Alright, got those. Time for some math. Farming cost equals farming costs, pretty much all of these, seed costs plus plantation costs plus fertilizing costs plus labor costs. Now we'll also add times farm area. And let's see. Now we're going to go with revenue equals veg selling price per acre times farm area. Alright, so C outs total revenue is profit loss from farming. So let's do if revenue minus farming costs less than 0, COUT minus in there. Minus. And sign, then fabs revenue minus farming costs and then inline. So we close out this bracket. Is that right? There's our, yeah, I can't close out that one. Yeah, that's right. Then we're going to do else if none vegetables planted equals 2. Do our bracket. Alright, take a quick break. We'll be right back after this. So we'll go COUT out and enter the portion. And let's go as a percentage. Land used. Leave that space there. And actually, we'll just for first festival. And we'll go and do seed cost. Actually, for the first vegetable. Sorry, farm area. So farm area for veg. Farm area for veg. And we'll do some random work here. See out. Anyway. This one down there. So next we'll do G. Yeah, we'll do enter first vegetable seed cost per acre. Dollar amount in there. And we'll go ahead and semicolon that. And we'll use, oops. CIN, and we'll use the seed cost variable again. T line. And one good thing about this one, we should be able to use what we already did. Bad habit of that. Alright, so let's go. So, let's see. First vegetable plantation costs. Fertilizer costs. Let's use these again. So that's 4. And all we have to do for this is paste those 4, and we'll put enter first in front of them. First vegetable seed costs, first plantation costs, first vegetable. So copy first vegetable, put that in front of there. Then I'll do first vegetable fertilization, first vegetable labor, and first vegetable selling costs. First. Right. So let's go down to the end of this one. Now we'll go ahead and do farming costs equals the same thing. Yeah, farming costs. So just there. Copy this. Alright, so we got farming costs equals seed costs plus plantation costs and fertilizer costs plus labor costs. Check this out. Okay. And revenue. Actually, we did need that. So let's do it like this then. Go here. Times farm area. semicolon. Revenue should remain the same. Oh, yeah, just farm area. So we got the same thing to this one. Times. Alright, here we go. Let's go down. So now, second vegetable seed cost per acre. Let's take this. This, copy paste this to A5. We change all the first to seconds. That should be the only change you need to do. Second, copy and paste it. Second, second, second. And second vegetable selling costs. Second. Alright. Now let's do the same thing again for this line and see what else we get to change. Alright. Let's put this down. Copy and paste to your friend. Let's make sure we get the exact same. So farming cost equals. So this is going to be a little bit different. Farming costs. Costs plus seed costs, plantation costs, rows costs, labor costs times farm area times times 1 minus farm area for veg. And the revenue would be equal revenue plus veg selling price per acre times farm area times 1 minus farm area veg divided by 100. So we got that, it's looking good. Go for our copy and paste. And let's do profit loss. Should we do this one as well? Profit loss. If I can find you. Right there. It's an if statement. There we go. The same if statement should be exactly the same. Leave. Let's see what we got. Alright. Man. Got to do one more thing before that. So that's the same too. Total revenue is this one again. It's for if statement. Let's see if this works out. Alright, there we go. So let you look at that for a few so you get caught up. So if revenue minus farming costs is less than 0, it's minus, it is a dollar sign. Then our fab's revenue minus farming costs. Yep, and that's all we need. So let's go ahead and get this up here. Alright. So we'll go over the code from the top. Let's go ahead and run it so we know that we got what we need first before we enter farm in acres, 250. Enter number of vegetables planted. Let's go to portion 45, 55. I was gonna say dollar. First, vegetable seed cost per acre. Oh shit. It's gonna be crazy. Two. Two, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Total revenue is $1,000. Profit loss for farming, so because $55 an acre is way too much to be paying for that. But good to say, let's calculate the. And let's go to our code and let you look at that. So we added 2 and 3. So let you look at line 1 all the way down to 21. All right. If you need more time for that, go ahead and pause it. Scroll it down. You go line 23, nothing on 22 through 43. Alright, so we got our green check mark and we got our 100%. Alright, let's show you the rest of the code, but let's take a quick break and we'll be right back after this. Alright, if you do need more time with 23 to 43, go ahead and pause it. We're going to move on. Now let's see here. Alright, so line 45, let's go all the way over so you can see the whole line. That's what 45 is. Let's go back. So that's line 45 to 64. Alright, so if you need more time with those lines, go ahead and pause it. And we're scrolling down. Lines 66 to 84. Alright, if you need more time, go ahead and pause it. And you got line 86 to 10, let's call it 104. Remember, a lot of these I just copied and pasted, got it quicker. Could have copied and pasted bigger chunks, but I wanted to get some effect of catching it. Alright, so if you're still doing 86 to 104, go ahead and pause it, as we're going to scroll down. And let you see line 106. How it ends, and that's it. The whole line. Back over, so you can see the brackets. Alright, if you're still working on that, you can go ahead and pause it. But that's all for this video. These are 2 long exercises, so we'll pick back up on the next one. Thanks for joining. Don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment, and if you see something that was off or whatever, that you did something different, whatever it is, make sure you put it in the comments, and make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you don't miss any new videos coming out, whether that be C++, Java, Python, or any of the other titles. All right, take care, have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next one.